Hello everyone, welcome to the Power BI projects course. In this video, we are going to start the COVID-19 data analysis project. COVID-19 dataset analysis is the way through which we would analyze the COVID-19 dataset. The dataset we will be using has a special feature that it is updated daily. So it depends on when you are downloading the dataset, the results will be different. That is why we have chosen this dataset, because it is highly accurate and contains information all over the world. Based upon the different characteristics and the different information pieces that are available in this dataset, we would be creating a Power BI report. Now, for your reference, I have already created one Power BI report, and that is exactly what we are going to create. This is the COVID-19 analysis report based upon the data set that we will be downloading. I have created this fully in Power BI, and it makes use of the very simple visualizations of Power BI. As you can see, we have got area charts, we have got line charts, we have got pie charts, we have got cards and the scatter plots. This is a very simple and an interesting way to showcase the information. The criteria that we have taken primarily is the countries, the continents over here, and the various things that are uploaded or that are analyzed, including the total cases, the new cases, the total deaths, and the factor that influences these things, such as the median age of the people of that particular country. So this is the kind of the report that we would be creating in Power BI. So let's start with the process.